What's up? Welcome back to my real chosen ones out there. Thank you guys for being here, chosen ones. And we're going to go ahead and get into your love messages today. I want to say thank you so much for your support to my channel. Those of you who do, and those of you who have your ways of watching. And you know what? I'm going to be the bigger person, and I'm going to say thank you to YouTube too, for allowing this platform to be here, even though you guys reduce people's numbers, but I am already aware, right? But I'm going to say thank you anyway. All right. So I want to say also that you guys are really awesome for being here today, for clicking this and showing your love and support. You don't want to miss these messages because this is about your love life, guys. So I want to tell you that I have many different services that I provide in my shop. So if you want truthful, realistic, real-time information and guidance about what is happening in your love life. Maybe you just want to know, how does he or she feel about you in the current moment? What is he thinking or what is she thinking? Maybe you need clarity about something that this person said to you, or something that they asked you about. Maybe you need help or advice about how to answer it or what to say, and just what's going on there. You may also have questions about your life purpose. What are you meant to do? What is your true path on your journey? Where are you supposed to be? That is available for you guys. I just always ask that you give me honesty so that I can give the same back to you. All right. So if you guys are interested, the link for that to my shop is in the beginning of this video, as well as down below in the description box. All right. So we are going to get started with your love guidance now. Hello, my lovely Cancers out there. Welcome back to the channel. I am here to talk about love. So if you feel the need for more guidance and to go deeper after you hear this message, if it really resonates with you, and you want to know things like what is going on with your person right now and why are they feeling the way they feel, maybe you just need more clarity on their innermost thoughts, feelings, and emotions, or you're interested in your life purpose, career, spirituality, your spiritual gifts, and things like that, feel free to reach out. The information is in the beginning of this video, okay? And also down below in the description box. Also, show some love. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. That is going to help the channel if you do that, and hit the thumbs up. All right, so Cancer. Some of you may be listening to a lot of music. Listen to a lot of music the first 2 weeks in December, or there is something nostalgic that you are hearing as it pertains to your love interest. Something reminds you of them, and it doesn't have to be music for some of you. It can just be certain sounds, certain things. It could be coming from movies, from someone else's car, from outside, it's just certain things. Like you may just hear someone say something and you hadn't heard that since you were a little girl, but it's something nostalgic about this time for you, and something that could remind you of your person and why you love them in the first place, or why you're interested in them in general. You could be also very emotional about this nostalgia. Something is going to come up that reminds you of a time before. And I feel like there's emotions connected to this that are deep for you. And it may put you in a different mood. It may change your mood. It may make you kind of just really reminiscent, or going over things from the past. Overall, I feel like whoever this is, you miss this person and you want to be closer to them or more involved with them. So you could be seeking the next steps in this connection, or you could be seeking out guidance about them and what to do. There's also something that you're doing, which I feel it's you no longer resisting. Something you've been fighting, something you've been wanting to stop, something you've been forcing. And because of that, it's only going to persist. It's only going to keep going if you keep allowing yourself to do it. You may need help resolving this inner conflict that you feel or this struggle that you have so that you can flow in a higher truth and experience joy in your life, because there's something that's holding you back, keeping you stuck, and something that's making you not move forward. So some of you, you may be being held back from this person, and you're fighting the fact that you are being held back from this person, and you're fighting the fact that it's time to move on. Or some of you are holding yourself back, forcing yourself to not surrender and give in to this connection. And you could be guided to give in. I'm going to find out what's going on as we keep going and see what's going on with this energy, to see if it's resisting if it's surrendering into the connection or if it's surrendering out, because that could be two different ways. But you're being guided nonetheless to follow your intuition, and whatever you do, you have angels supporting you. You're being pushed either into their life or away from them, and you have angels that's supporting you. The way it seems, because you're in this mellow mood, see, this mellow mood can be a sign that you're supposed to be with them and you're fighting it. But I'm going to see. Let's see. This person has a more relaxed approach to things. It seems they could be taking a more quiet approach or a different approach to the connection with you. You may not hear them talking much during this time frame. You may not hear much from them. You may feel like they're definitely different. They've definitely changed something up. And I think it's because this person wants to maintain exclusivity with you. They want to be exclusive with you. I feel like they only want you. And they only want you to want them. They don't want anyone else involved in your life. And they don't want to be involved with anyone else in theirs. This person could be drawing you in with their respect that they have for your feelings and for your need for privacy. So this person could be, realizing that the way that they get you more involved in the connection or wanting to be with them is if they really respect everything that you're saying or everything that you feel. So this person could be wanting to see you up close, or maybe they just won't stop bugging you until they can see you face to face. This person feels like they could be an angel to you if you let them. There's something about purple and gold that comes up. That's royalty colors, as well as the ruby crystal. Ruby is of high value, and ruby represents the heart, and it is also the birth stone for Aquarius. They could be an Aquarius, or they could have an Aquarius Venus. But this is a royal person, I feel. And they feel like they could be an angel in your life. They feel like they have enough wisdom and they're tapped in to their spiritual beliefs. They are all about spirituality. They are very wise beyond their years. They feel like they have a lot to offer you, Cancer. They feel like they would be a blessing to you. This is a person who will bring you serenity, love, tranquility, and the peace you seek. Like everything that you seek, they have it, and they know they do. And they know that they could come in like an angel to give you everything that you want, treating you like royalty, really loving you from their heart. This person comes with a high state of grace, which is going to bring you some freedom and joy in your life, like freedom from fear, freedom from getting hurt, freedom from, somebody like worrying about somebody cheating on you or breaking your heart. They want you to enjoy life, and they come with that. They come with these positive things, whoever this is. Purple, gold, and ruby. This is a king. This is a real king. This is an emperor. This is an emperor man or an emperor woman. This is someone who has their own empire, who has a legacy, who has riches, wealth, everything. Like, this person probably has everything that you really need. Not that you want, that you need. This person's like, I have everything you need. Aquarius is strong in this person's birth chart, you guys, whoever they are. And you may have rejected them. You may see this person feeling so rejected because of you. It's like you have your hand up to this person saying, do not enter, leave me alone, and stay out. That's how you come across to them. But that's not how they're coming with you. That's not what they want with you. So going back to the beginning, when I was trying to find out about what the surrender means, it seems like the surrender is about you fighting them off. I'm just being honest. It's like you are fighting them off and they want to come in. They see you having a lot of haters, Cancer. They feel like the way, because of their attraction toward you, or because of what you're going through, or maybe because of who you are, you have a lot of haters around you. They know a lot of people are hating on you because they love you or because they like you. That's why I feel like they want to be more exclusive or private with you. They see that the lack of privacy is causing so many haters in your life because they choose you. So they see you being quiet. You are going to be so quiet about a lot of things. They don't see you telling people anything. They feel like you are keeping secrets, you're staying low key, and you are hiding something when it comes to you and them. They see you not telling anybody anything about this connection. It's like they see you having so many haters, and this could also be an energy of them trying to say, hey, Cancer, I know you know that you have a lot of people hating on this connection with me and you. So I want you to just be tight-lipped. I want you to be on the hush about us. I don't want you to tell anybody about anything because people are hating on this connection. Okay, and for a small group of you, it could be a person who thinks that you're keeping secrets or hiding something because you rejected them. Maybe they feel like your energy could feel like you're rejecting them, so they could feel like maybe you're hiding something from them. Okay, so it could go either way, but I don't feel like they have bad intentions. I'm not picking that up. They feel rejected by you, though. They feel like you don't want them in your life. They feel like you don't want them around. They feel like you're being super quiet. I mean, they feel like you're not saying anything to anyone about anything. And for some of you, it could just be because you want your privacy. This person even knows that you want your privacy. And I feel like for some of you, that's what it's about. You wanting your privacy. You wanting to be exclusive with this person and not having all these people involved. And that's your point. But for them, they're like, yeah, this connection with me is going to bring a lot of haters. It is. That's why I want you to shut up and don't talk. I don't want you to tell anybody anything because look at what's going on now. So it's interesting with this connection. It's something going on here between the two of you. You know, the next 2 weeks is going to be very interesting because you two are going to be very... You two are just going to be, I don't know, just there. Because they're going to be kind of quiet. Because there's a lot of haters surrounding you. Like, your person is aware that your connection together brings a lot of haters to your life. And they know that you don't like to feel like this. And they feel like that's the reason why you're rejecting them. Because it's too much going on. But I feel like your person should know that it's not because a lot of people are hating on the connection. It's because you're waiting on the next step from them. You're waiting on like what else is coming. You miss them. You want to be closer to them. So, yeah, you guys may need to get a personal reading. All right. That's all I have. God bless.